In this time I will show you how to make adorable wave project in Irish lace technique. We are working on the front side of the project. We divide our work on some parts. Firstly, we make a picture in real size, then pin cords, make trims for them, make flowers, then sew all places of contiguity and fill it up all 3 places with chaotic mesh. For work you need mat, cotton yarns, ready cord from tutorial 47, crochet hook, pin, scissors, beads. Make a picture in real size and pin it on a mat. Let's begin the work. I pin my ready cord on the pattern. Like this. I pin at my cord. Now I make the trim for this cord. Before the beginning, I turn the work. Take the yarn, insert the hook into the first stitch. Take the working yarn, put it through. Make a chain. Make single crochet into each stitch of the cord. So continue working in this way till this point. I have done single crochet till this point. Now I show you how to make the half of the leaf. As you know, each leaf has different shape. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into this stitch. Take the working loop, pull it through. Chain. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet. 1, 2, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remove the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the second stitch from the beginning. Take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet. 1, 2, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, remove the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through, chain, work with chain space, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, it's enough, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, remove the hook, insert the hook into the first stitch, take the working loop, pull it through, chain 1, and single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's enough, no, it's not enough, so make one more, remove the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, make single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. The leaf is almost ready. Now make single crochet, chain, 1, 2, 3, and so on. I have done single crochet along the leaf. Now continue the work. Make single crochet into each stitch of the cord, like this. We have done the trim for the first half. Now I show you how to make the bottom part. For this I turn the work. This is the second half of the leaf. Insert the hook into the loop of the cord, take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain, make single crochet into the next loop, make single crochet into the next loop, yarn over the hook, and make double crochet, make half double crochet into the next stitch, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the next loop, yarn over the hook twice, and make treble crochet into the next loop. It's okay, so I can continue. Make treble crochet into the same stitch or loop of the cord. Make treble crochet into the next loop. Let's look at the pattern. Now yarn over the hook twice. Make treble crochet. Make treble crochet twice into the next loop. 1, and 2. Turn the work. Continue the work. Make treble crochet. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 treble crochet stitches in a row. We have done 4 treble crochet in a row. Make double treble crochet stitch into the next loop. And make treble crochet into the same loop. Turns of work. Make treble crochet into the next loop. One, treble crochet, then double crochet, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, make half double crochet, make single crochet into the next loop. Make reverse single crochet trim. Let's repeat again. I lost my loop. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I have done the bottom part of the leaf. Then you should continue in this way till the end of this pattern. In this case you need to make this part of the leaf. We have done the second half of the leaf and the branch is ready. Then you should make 3 more such branches. We have done all branches. Now I show you how to make small elements in this part. For this I turn the work, take the yarn, insert the hook into the cord, take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain, make single crochet, continue single crochet, chain 3 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, make 2 strings, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, pull up a level to the chain 1, 2, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, take the working yarn, pull it through, let's make one more, make single crochet, chain 3 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, make 2 strings, 1, and 2, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and work a slip stitch into the 2 loops of the single crochet. The second element is ready. Continue, make single crochet into the next loop. I would like to make bigger my element, chain 4 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, make 2 strings, 1, 2, pull through all loops on the hook, chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and work a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Here what we have, you should make 2 more in this way. We have done small elements. You should make these elements in this part of the project and here. Continue working in the second part of our tutorial. Thanks for watching.